Next, we move on to specification number 15, which asks us to describe the effects of excessive alcohol consumption. In this section, we will discuss the complications that arise from drinking too much alcohol, including its impact on the brain, body, and social life. Excessive alcohol consumption involves drinking large amounts of ethanol, the type of alcohol found in beverages like wine, beer, and spirits. Ethanol acts as a depressant, slowing down brain and nerve activity. Because alcohol slows the nervous system, it reduces reaction times, making activities such as driving much more dangerous. For this reason, many countries have strict laws limiting alcohol consumption for drivers. The liver breaks down alcohol using enzymes, but the byproducts produced during this process are harmful. Over years of heavy drinking, these effects can lead to permanent liver damage. In addition, alcohol can become addictive for many people, making it difficult to stop once dependence develops. The effects of excessive alcohol consumption can be seen in both the short and long term. Short-term effects of alcohol include its role as a depressant, which slows down brain and nerve activity, affecting how the body responds. It also reduces self-control, making people more likely to take risks or behave aggressively. Alcohol slows reaction times, so actions like braking while driving are delayed, increasing the risk of accidents. It can also cause poor judgment, confusion, and impaired decision-making. Vomiting may occur because alcohol is toxic, and the body tries to remove it quickly. Movement is affected as well, leading to poor balance, loss of coordination, and drowsiness. In extreme cases, very high amounts of alcohol can even cause unconsciousness. Long-term effects of excessive alcohol consumption can be severe. Prolonged heavy drinking damages the liver, potentially leading to cirrhosis, a serious and irreversible condition. It can also harm the brain, causing memory problems and difficulty with concentration. Alcohol may become addictive over time, making it very difficult for individuals to stop drinking. In addition, long-term alcohol use can lead to social problems, including family conflicts, isolation, job loss, and breakdown of relationships.